There starts the climbing. One, this continuous up, up, up. Time to get the heart rate going. Let's see what we can get it to. Wait for the view when we get to the top. Still coming. It's still coming. Bit of a flatter section now. There we go, up again. Heart rate going up and climbing. Let's see if we can get to 180. Almost there. Oh. Remember the first time a woman I came up here to hear that. Oh, she was battling. She had to rest for 5 minutes at the top of the hill. Oh. Almost there. And here we are. Oh, that tree there marks the top point. We're going to go past some zebras just now. I see them there. Sure we. Time to catch my breath quickly.